Molded parts have become vital components to the automotive, consumer product, electronics, and medical industries. Injection mold design involves some of the most difficult challenges, and as such, mold makers are constantly looking for better ways to use computer technology to automate their product development process. Siemens Mechanical Design uniquely supports all capabilities needed for an optimum mold making system. Here, we have designed the Jigsaw dataset in Solid Edge, and we can use NX mold capabilities to design the mold for the cover of the saw. Teamcenter Share can be used as our collaboration tool for sharing the design with our engineer using NX with various permission levels. Tasks can easily be assigned inside Teamcenter Share to track the progress of the project. To start, we will create an assembly structure for the new mold design. Using conventional CAD system, this is a tedious and time-consuming process. By using a single command in NX Mold Wizard, the system will automatically clone an empty assembly structure for us with the chance to define material and help automate shrinkage. The mold design process always starts with the following question: can this part be successfully molded? NX Mold Wizard's molded part validation tools analyzes the part and automatically provide the designer with information about draft angles, undercut areas, sharp corners, etc. On top of that, it will provide the designer with an easy visual check of core and cavity side that doesn't require any special analysis or knowledge of mold design. Some design changes are needed for the faces that lack the required draft in this part. The needed design changes can easily be communicated via the view and markup in Teamcenter Share. The same markups can be viewed directly inside Solid Edge. And luckily for us, Solid Edge makes it easy to add the needed draft to any required faces, and with interoperability between Solid Edge and NX, the changes also apply to our part in NX with no need to start from scratch. With synchronous technology inside NX, we can do further changes such as replacing and deleting the needed faces. The same changes could have also been done inside Solid Edge and brought over to NX with the best-in-class interoperability we saw earlier. Once the changes are done, using molded part validation, we can specify all faces of the model either to the core or cavity sides of mold. Again, this process is completely automated. Next, we will specify the workpiece. NX Mold Wizard can automatically detect the correct size of the workpiece, but if needed, we can always change it as per design needs. To split the workpiece into the core and cavity, it is necessary to patch all openings. We could either use the automated patching tools, or for complicated freeform areas, use advanced patching tools in NX Mold Wizard. Unlike conventional CAD commands, these advanced patching commands can speed up your work by 50%. Once we patch all openings in the mold part model, next step is to generate the parting lines and parting surfaces. NX Mold Wizard has advanced automated tools for creating parting lines and surfaces. Based on the draw direction and different regions defined, NX Mold Wizard will automatically create optimal parting lines. These parting lines can be easily modified if needed. NX Mold Wizard can also guide us through the creation of parting surfaces. Along the way, it will recommend surface types based on the geometry conditions. Once we finish designing the extracting regions and parting surfaces, we are ready to split the core and cavity. With a single click in NX Mold Wizard, the core cavity extraction can be executed automatically. Moldbase and Standard Part Library provides us with the widest range of standard parts and is based on major industry standards such as Hasco, DME, etc. Best part is that they almost automatically place the components at the right place in the mold assembly. The standard part libraries available provide a wide selection of commonly used components that you can install and adjust, such as sprue bushings as seen here. Similarly, we can use the standard part library to add the necessary gates and runners and modify it fast and easy using NX as needed. We need some ejector pins to eject the mold from the part in this case. Ejector pins are another example of components that can be accessed in the standard parts library. And they can be quickly trimmed as necessary. Also, it's important to note these libraries that we are using here can be customized to match the company's design standards and include any component or assembly. So there you have it, the interoperability of Solid Edge and NX working in perfect harmony for easy and accurate mold design.